motor show.
Here we are at the Sarasota Cars and Coffee. We've got our MGB.
Let's go!
Let's go! This is where the money is. This is a pretty nice Ferrari, isn't it?
Green MGB!
So this is an older one, look, we've got the chrome bumpers, we've got the wire wheels. See, the dash is different, the steering wheel's different, this has got speakers and stereo. It's quite different inside. A little bit of British beauty here.
I found one of them.
He's got a Ferrari badge on his Corvette.
Actually, what are those?
The machine guns. Got another Land Rover Defender here. This is cool. It brings me back to my my days in the military. We used to drive these around. A 90 and a 110. The 90 was a short wheelbase, which this one is, and the 110 was a slightly longer wheelbase. Tell you what, driving in the back of one of these in the desert is not comfortable. Yeah, check out this airlift kit. So this is to raise and lower the suspension, and he's done it like a bunny, so we can slam that baby all the way down to the ground. Because we could miss the best car ever. The stamps on this car are so wide, so cool. I spy another MGB, here we go! So this one's got the Sebring front fairing on it. So they removed the bumpers completely.
Exactly like ours.
They're nice to shinier exhaust than we have.
You must have an MGB too.
We do have an MGB. My original ones, they were here. I turned it on and they weren't working very well. They were making a lot of noise. And then I saw a wire turn blue and then the smoke came out, and that was the last day ever worked. Easy to get $1 million car collection. What's tough is getting $1 million of disposable income to buy said car collection.
Oh, look at the bike.
That's like... How clean this is. What a beautiful Triumph TR6 that is.
This car is overflowing my cup of tea. Nice car!
Coolest car at the show, 1980 MGB.